So step one, you will need to go to your app store and use the QR code listed here to download the app. So in order to get my serial number and verification code, I'm going to have to open this to get both of them. And they're located inside. Right, to activate my device, I'll need that serial number and verification code and type them in. 976 1900 7161. My verification code is 150-38905, and then click activate device. And activate device. Oh. Okay. So now I will need to scroll and find which car I will be using this device with. And mine is a GM. You're going to have to find which one your car and which one's on here for yours. And then click OK. Okay. So now we should be good to go.